In this video, we are going to learn about the river Ganga and its right bank tributaries. I'm going to show you the exact place of their origin, to the place where they drain, and also in between a few important places where the rivers pass by. Just to give this video some structure, the timestamps are available in the description. If you want to skip over and save some time, please do that. Alright then, without any further ado, let's begin. First, we will look at the river Ganga. Ganga actually starts from a place called Devprayag. At Devprayag, the two rivers, that is river Bhagirathi and river Alaknanda, joins, and that's how river Ganga is born. Now river Bhagirathi originates from a place called Gaumukh, which is the Gangotri glacier in Uttarkashi district of the state of Uttarakhand. Now this region is around 35 km away from the Tibet border. The Gangotri glacier is one of the largest in the Himalayas. The glacier is about 30 km long and 2 to 4 km wide. You can imagine how much of water it can produce. Anyhow, the Bhagirathi initially flows in the southwest direction and through the Uttarkashi district. After reaching the town of Dharasu, the river turns southeast and flows towards the city of Tehri. Here the Bhagirathi river is held by the Tehri Dam. It is the highest dam in India. Basically, it's a hydroelectric power plant. The river continues to flow southeast and reaches the town of Devprayag, where it joins the river Alaknanda. Now we will see the route of river Alaknanda. The river Alaknanda originates from the Satopant glacier and Bhagirathi Khadak glacier. These glaciers are part of Greater Himalayas. The river initially flows southeast, and after reaching the village of Mana, it turns south and heads towards the holy town of Badrinath. After flowing for about 20 to 25 kilometers, it reaches the town of Vishnuprayag. From here on, we will come across 5 sacred river confluents, which are considered holy sacred places of the Hindu religion. Now these places are called Panchprayag. It is a set of 5 holy river confluences, or we can say meeting places, in the Garhwal side of Uttarakhand. Right now we came across the first Prayag, which is Vishnuprayag. This is the place where Dhauli Ganga river and Alaknanda river meet. Dhauli Ganga river originates near Nanda Devi National Park. It joins the Alaknanda river near the town of Vishnuprayag. So always remember, this is the first of the Panchprayag. From Vishnuprayag, the Alaknanda river flows towards southwest direction for about 40 kilometers and reaches the town of Nandprayag. This is the place where the Nandakini river joins the Alaknanda river. So this is the second place of the Panchprayag. From Nandprayag, the Alaknanda river continues to flow southwest. In about 15 kilometers, it reaches the town of Karnaprayag. In this place, the Pindar river joins the Alaknanda river. Now this is the third place of the Panchprayag. From Karnaprayag, the Alaknanda river takes the western direction. In about 30 km, it reaches the town of Rudraprayag. And in this place, the Mandakini river joins the Alaknanda. The Mandakini river originates from Kedarnath, and it meets the Alaknanda river near Rudraprayag. This is the fourth place of the Panchprayag. From Rudraprayag, the Alaknanda river continues the southwestern course. In about 45 to 50 kilometers, the Alaknanda river reaches the town of Devprayag. Now this is the last and the fifth holy place of the Panchprayag. At Devprayag, the Bhagirathi river and the Alaknanda river joins to form river Ganga. And that is how river Ganga is born. From Devprayag, river Ganga continues to flow towards west and reaches the city of Rishikesh. The moment it passes the city of Rishikesh, I want you to understand this. Here the river Ganga leaves the Shivalik hills, which are also called the lower mountains of Himalayas. So the river Ganga leaves the Shivalik hills and flows into the plains of northern India. Here you will also find the Rajaji National Park. Basically, the Ganga, after passing the town of Rishikesh, it flows through the Rajaji National Park and reaches the town of Haridwar. which I believe is around 20 to 25 kilometers. After reaching the town of Haridwar, River Ganga flows towards south. In about 20 to 25 kilometers, the river reaches the Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh border. Further, the river continues to flow along the Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh border for about 20 kilometers before it completely enters into the state of Uttar Pradesh. After entering the state of Uttar Pradesh, River Ganga continues to flow south. Ganga enters the state of Uttar Pradesh from the district of